If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update today. And we do have some bullish divergences happening across the board for so many different altcoins. Bitcoin has a bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame, so the 1 hour time frame does look pretty good to me. And you are actually trying to destroy a bear flag, so I don't see the bear flag coming into play. But the technical target I gave you is pretty much met, which was down at 4,572. It was met down here, bang on to that green box. And I told you in the previous videos that this green box is going to be very, very important. So if I do zoom out of everything, you can see that back in the days we had this green box, one support here. I'm just gonna drag this like this, one support, second support, came down, and this is another green box. So this has been proven to be an amazing demand zone. So if you actually ever go below the demand zone and close below the demand zone, you're going to create a very, very big trouble for JASMY. Now going back into the 1 hour time frame, what I want to show you is the bullish divergence, and I think we are in for a little bit of relief rally. So I'm just going to remove all the drawings from there and here as well, so that we can get a clear pattern. And it seems like you're making a little bit of that double bottom at the moment. And so here we go. You're making some lower lows right there, and this was almost pretty much higher lows right here on the hour side. So that's pretty much a bullish divergence. But still, based on the pattern, you're struggling to push to the upside. A better idea could be made on the 4 hour time frame, and I'm trying to see what exactly we're trying to do here on the 4 hour time frame. But if you look at the EMAs, we're still restricted with the EMAs. You're still under the pressure of the EMAs at the moment. But I do want to see a little bit of a break to the upside and maybe back test the 55 to 5153. This is potentially where you can actually move to the upside. So if you do bring in this little bit of resistance here and a little bit of a level right over there, you can see that this is what we have. So right now there's no confirmation of a move to the upside. We just have a small bullish divergence, but it doesn't mean anything. So in my opinion, you're looking for this one resistance, second resistance here. You could potentially drop down again like this. And if you're interested to break out, you're looking for a 5020, which is actually going to be a little bit of a trade up to 6%. Or if you break to the downside, then this is like a descending triangle or a symmetrical triangle. Then you're looking for further technical target to 4301. So trade based on the breakout. Simple. And that's it for this JASMY update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.